this video, I'm going to teach you how to sing like Billie Eilish. So, let's sing something. La la la! Billie Eilish has this amazing, smoky, sultry, yet slightly gritty voice that is kind of the voice of this generation. So it's no wonder that you guys were begging me and asking me, how do I sing like Billie Eilish? So, of course, I had to make a video out of it. This is part one of a two-part series of how to sing like Billie Eilish. We're gonna go over how you can achieve the same type of sound in simple little steps. Hack number one. Vocal fry. Vocal fry is the base foundation that we need as we're trying to create this Billie Eilish sound. So vocal fry is when you have your vocal cords, they're in your throat like this, right? And you have two of them. You're gonna breathe, they open up, air comes into the lungs, then they come together and they approximate, which means they decide how thick or how thin they're going to be, as well as how close together they're going to rub. So air is down here, vocal cords come together and make that decision, and then air comes in between, creating vibration to make that sound. And how you're going to get these vocal cords to come together and create that vibration, so then later you can add that air, is by making a sound like Now this sound really reminds me of like in the morning when you're waking up and you're like, I just need my coffee. That whiny, deep, grovelly sound, as well as that really scary chick on The Grudge where she comes out and she's like got all the drippy hair and the eye. She's always got that one eye too, that one crazy eye. That like. Anyways, that's the sound that I want you to create as hack number one for the foundation of where we're gonna go next with hack number two. Excess air. This is what makes Billie Eilish kind of stand out, is this extra air that she's adding on top of that vocal fry. So what I want you to do to achieve this sound is by using the letter H. Ha. Ha is an exhalation of air. So let's use the sentence that she does, which is that I'd fallen for a lie, which is from her No Time to Die performance that she did. I also did a vocal coach reacts to her live version of singing this, and I will put a link to it at the end of this video so you can check it out. So let's say the phrase with an H. So instead of that I'd fallen for a lie becomes that I'd fallen for a lie. Now let's put some notes to it. That I'd fallen for a lie. Now your vocals may be unstable as you're going through this. You may have to take an extra breath. That's okay. We got a layering effect going on. If you guys are totally lost, I want to let you know that if you go to vocalfreebies.com, there's a cheat sheet there that you can print out, which has all 6 steps that I go over in this two-part series on how to sing like Billie Eilish. You get to print it out and it's totally free. And our third one is hack number 3. Sing close to the microphone. When you're adding all of this air and you want to create that smoky whisper sound, you have to whisper. Otherwise, it's just not going to travel far enough. So in order to amplify this sound, she's keeping the microphone super close to her mouth. That I'd fallen for, that I'd fallen for a lie. If you're doing her example and you're trying to sing like her and you're trying to get more volume out without a microphone, it's gonna be a whole lot harder. You're gonna run out of air faster simply because you're having to push more out to create that sound. So I would highly suggest that as you're doing this and you're practicing, you really want to hit that Billie Eilish sound, then you're gonna practice it in front of a mic, combining the vocal fry at the very beginning, then adding in that excess H on top of it and keeping close to your microphone. Click here to check out my vocal coach reaction to her singing this song live. Check out part 2, which has 3 more hacks to help you sing like Billie Eilish. Join my Facebook group. The link is down below. We do awesome stuff, and I will see you in the next song. La la la.